If you're not watermarking your product photos, you are making it way too easy for copycats to steal your work. Now, I have helped over 13,000 Etsy sellers protect their brand. So today I'm going to show you how to add a custom watermark in under 5 minutes using one of my favorite tools that's perfect for small business owners. Here's something most people don't realize. Watermark images aren't just about protection, they also boost your brand's recognition. According to a recent Shopify study, watermark products images had up to 23% higher brand recall than unbranded ones. So this one tiny step is doing double duty, protecting your photos and marketing your brand at the same time. And if you're loving tools like this, you're going to want to join my monthly membership, Brand Build Bank Society. Inside, I will teach you how to build a brand that sells, create digital products that bring in passive income, and use tools like this one to work smarter and not harder. And it's only $12.99 per month and packed with resources that actually move the needle in your business. So you could join today using the link in the description. And yes, you could cancel anytime. All right, so let me show you how to watermark your images the easy way using watermarking. Step number 1, you're going to go to watermarkly.com. Now, I have left my referral link in the pinned comment and description so you could try it out for free. From here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select watermark photos for free. And it's going to give you the option to drag your files. So you could do one file or you could do multiple files at the same time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select mine from my computer. And I'm going to upload the image that I want to watermark. From here, I'm going to go next. It's going to ask me, do I want to add text or do I want to add a logo? And you could do that as well. I usually just add a text. And what I do is I put the name of my Etsy shop. So I'm going to do MB Digital Printables. Now, the color, it really depends on the background of the image. Because this is a lighter image, I don't want to go too bold and take away from the product. So I'm going to go white. And you could change the color here. You could also change the fonts if you want to as well. You could play around and see which one you prefer. And down here, you could change the size. So do you want it really big? Do you want it smaller? I usually go around there. Now, the tile is how many times you want this to be repeated in the page. So you could have it like that, which is almost like spaced out. You could have it like this, which is a little bit more. I usually choose this one. You could change the spacing here if you want, make it smaller or wider a little bit more. You could also change the opacity and the rotation. I do the rotation. I always change it either to my right or left. I like it this way a little bit more. And you could add effects. For instance, you could do like a little shadow if you wanted to. But the only problem with some of these effects is that it takes away from the product. So I normally don't use that, but you could play around with it and see if you find something suitable for your product. So once you're happy here, you're pretty much done. Now this picture is watermarked. And the next step will be to click on next. And you're going to go ahead and click on original format. Do not resize because you want to keep it the same size so you could upload it, whether that's Etsy, Shopify, or wherever else you sell. And you're going to click on watermark image and you're going to go ahead and click on download all. And then just preview it really quickly just to make sure it looks good and you are good to go. Now, another additional thing that I want to mention is once you do this one time, every single time that you upload an image to Watermark, you don't have to go through the steps of choosing the font, choosing the color, doing anything. It automatically adds it for you. Now, if you want to change the font or change the color because maybe the photo doesn't go with white, you will be able to do that. But that will save you so much time from having to do it from scratch every single time. If this helped, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description to try Watermarkly for free. It's one of the fastest ways to protect your brand visuals without messing around in Photoshop or Canva for hours. And if you are a small business owner who uses Canva, don't miss this next video. I'm revealing 7 hidden Canva apps that will blow your mind, free tools that you didn't even know existed. So click right here and I will meet you there.